Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and guess what? The Sky Ride is actually open, and this is something that's been closed a lot. Now, it is $5 to ride it if you don't have an annual pass, but if you have an annual pass like I do, you can just walk right on. And I'm going to actually enjoy this because I've heard so many great things about this. So, now you do know I am afraid of heights, so this is going to be a little bit of a challenge for me, but all in all, looking forward to riding the Sky Ride. All right, thank you. All right, now this one reminds me a lot of the Hershey Park ones that we had in the older days, before they closed them all down. Now this takes you through the safari. So, and this is rickety as heck, so I'm not gonna lie to you, I am gonna be very nervous, but right here you actually got a great view of Stanley Falls and Scorpion in the background. And over here is Kumba and all that, so great views of Kumba actually. Rumor has it Kumba is on its last leg, but all in all, like I said, Kumba's been a popular ride for years. If it's gone, I did enjoy it while I was there. But there is Kumba. I'm going to try to keep my thumb away, but as I told you before, I am nervous about this. Over here is great views of Phoenix Rising, which is their newest roller coaster here at Busch Gardens Tampa, and there's Serengeti Flyer. So here, the neat thing about this is you're going into the, you're not so much, you're in the back of the park, so you're really a lot of the way into Serengeti. Wow, there is Phoenix Rising. Great look view of Phoenix Rising. So this is a short ride, but it does take you through the Serengeti pretty well. So if you like what we do, make sure you like and subscribe, because we are hitting a lot of amusement parks. This is our third one of the year. And as we turn around, we'll get a good view. But here's a great view of the Serengeti. So this was basically Jungletopia into the Serengeti section. Great views of Kumba. I've never seen Kumba like this. So well, that's where we are here. And here we are, right there is Phoenix Rising, the back end of Phoenix Rising. Now do we go this way? Or do we get out? Pretty good. Filming for a YouTube channel.
Oh, alright.
So, I'm afraid of heights, so this is always a fun one.
Oh no, don't worry, man. You'll be safe.
Alright, where's this going to take me to now?
Cheetah Hunt.
Cheetah Hunt area? Okay, great.
Alright, enjoy the ride. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a good one. So, we're right here in the middle of Serengeti. And now we're on our way to the Cheetah Hunt section there. And we're launching again. Like I said, great views of Phoenix Rising though, so very happy about that. And we're doing a one take, as you might have noticed. We're not cutting this like we usually do. Right there is, like I said, right in front of us, it's Phoenix Rising. And then you got Quasi in the background. But over here you've got the Serengeti. Just great views of the Serengeti. This is where all the animals are. Here's the train tracks. You see the train tracks back there. And oh my God, look how close you get to Serengeti Flyer. That thing is huge. But this is nice and pristine back here. A lot of different animals. Over here you got, there's the Pantopia section, but this is great. You can actually see Montu going, and just a lot of nature back here. There's a lot of land that they don't utilize. And here you can actually see some of the habitats of the animals with Quasi in the background. Look how close you get to Serengeti Flyer. I'm so glad they actually got this going again. And I'll be honest with you, not as scary as it usually is for me when I'm on these rides. But here's a lot of different habitats. I don't know the exact habitat there, but there's a lot of habitats. I love the fact that it is a two-parter. Oh, there goes Shikra. And that right there is Serengeti Flyer. We're right up against it. But yeah, you're literally going through the entire area here with the animals, which is really nice. All the different habitats. And of course here you got some great views of Cheetah Hunt, which flies through the Serengeti. And then there goes Quasi. Let's see if we get a good shot past these trees of Quasi. There's Gwazi in all its glory. Gwazi. There's a train. That's all Cheetah Hunt right there as it flies through. I guess we end up in the Cheetah Hunt section here. So now I might actually do a part 2 going back, just so I end up back where I was, because right now I'm at the front of the park. Right there's Montu in the background. Here goes Cheetah Hunt going through its heart roll. Very cool. But yeah, I'm very glad to see that the Skyride is going again. Let us know your thoughts. Do you want to do more POVs like this, or are you more interested in let's eat, let's play, that kind of stuff? Always curious to see what you guys like in our content. We did a poll on YouTube before I came here, and people said they wanted to see more POV content, so that's why I jumped on this real quick. But there's Cheetah Hunt at the top part, coming down. And there's the train, Serengeti Express. Well, you really get a good size of this park. All right, you got 2 Cheetah Hunts going. Here goes one right up, one on the top, one on the bottom. There's some more animal habitats. I believe that's the hippos. And there's a good view of Cheetah Hunt. Right here is a great view of the great Iron Gwazi. So, and we're coming in for a landing. So this is where our trip ends. So once again, if you like what we do, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Simple click for you, but it means a lot to us. And we can't wait to see you in the queue in 2025 as we hit 40 different parks, 125 different coasters, and we strive to get to number 5.